In this video, I will show you how to make any object of your 3D scene interactable. Of course, this is for VR. So here I am using Unity 6. The goal is to use this application in a VR headset Meta Quest. But actually, I use OpenXR. So OpenXR, it means that what you do will work on many different headsets. So here, be sure package manager that you have your XR interaction toolkit installed. So I explained that in other videos. In project settings, be sure you have OpenXR here, and inside you have Oculus Touch Controller Profile and MetaQuest support activated. So here I speak about the Android tab, of course. So here we have all the packages. So now for the scene, of course, you will need your XR origin. So this is the first person controller. But for this interaction, you need also to have the XR interaction manager. So if you don't have it, you just right click here, XR and interaction manager. So, and after you have nothing else to do. Okay, so my objects are here, they are ready. So these objects, I just created them in Unity, so they have already a box collider. And you must have a box collider to make it work. So it means if you import an object from, for example, FBX, you have to add a collider on this object. Could be box, could be mesh collider, what you want. So everything is ready now, super simple. I just click, so I select my object, click on add component, and here I will search for XR grab, and I pick XR grab interactable. He created two things, the XR grab interactable. This one I will not touch it, but we have also rigid body. Rigid body is to make your object use the dynamic of Unity. So, for example, the gravity. But also there is something that we have to change, the collision detection. If I throw my object very fast, there is a possibility, high possibility, that this object will cross the other object. To avoid that, I need to change to continuous dynamic. Okay, so it will detect more frequently the collision, and it should work perfectly. So this object is ready. I will be able to grab it with my left hand, right hand. But actually, if I want to grab it with two hands, it's not possible. I mean, two hands in the same time. And it will be interesting on this kind of object where I need perhaps to reorient the object with my two hands. So for this one, I will also do a grab interactable. I go to rigid body. I change discrete to continuous dynamic. And here in the grab interactable, I will change just this parameter, select mode. I will pick multiple, and that's all. So now I can test it. So to test it, I connected my headset to the PC, and I use Meta Link software. So now I'm wearing the headset, and what I will do, I will just click here. Actually, I do it from my headset. What you see here is what I have on my headset. I will just click here on play, and it will start the application. So here I will move to this table, okay, as close as I can, and here I can grab the object. So to grab the object, you see on your controller, you have this button grab. So this is this one, okay. So I can grab the object with the left hand, put it here, grab here with the right hand, and I can also put it on one hand on the other. I can also throw the object. Okay, so here, so we have the robot who is patrolling here. So here, this object I can grab with two hands. So let's select it, one hand, and here if I grab with the second hand, I will be able to orient my object. Okay, so here, even if I don't touch the object. But here there is a problem. When I grab, you see, if I grab here from the extremity, what he will do, he will move the object and put the center of the object in my hand. And it's not what I want. I really would like to be able to grab it from the extremity. So this one, I throw it, and I will stop the app. And on the blue object, this time we will change one parameter, and I will be able to grab it more naturally. So this one, add component, grab, rigid body, continuous. This one, I will put select mode, of course, multiple, and I have just to change one parameter, use dynamic attach. That's all. And then I'm going to play it again in my headset. Okay. So now, here I will select it from here, and there is no snapping, no change of orientation. Of course, I can continue to use my left hand. Okay. From anywhere, I can grab it. Okay. And here, actually, if you grab it from the extremity, because of the dynamic, you will be able to send it really faster. Okay. So that's all. So very simple. There are much more parameters that you can use. Here, I think I did it on a pillow here. There is no shadows on this pillow, but I can also grab at a distance, like that. So you see here, I have the pillow. I can throw it here. So here, it fell in the ground because this object there, this one had no collider. This is why it crossed the object. So here we have the robot who speaks to me. Thank you.
I'll be your guide. Follow me. I can't wait to show you what we have.